going to make a wee video there this time, and it's just something a wee bit different. This fan, there's about times you got a wee bit of undercoat underneath her to protect her from the rust. So I'm using this stuff here, Lanoguard. So I have it done and completed. I'm only after getting a shower because it's a wee bit smelly. I just don't want to be in the bed beside her because I'm too smelly. Right, sure. Hope you enjoy. Good luck.
Whoa! He heard the ruckus. He heard the ruckus. Didn't he? Good morning. Good morning.
that's the van propped, or propped I should have said. So I have put a wee bit of a cover over the discs. I thought I could get away with not taking off the wheels, but I soon discovered once I took off the wheels there's a pile of shite in and behind the back of the wheels, so it's a good job I took them off. Just show you the other side here. So that's what she's like before I put anything in her, if you can see. Now you can see this caliper here is fairly black looking. That's waste oil I put in the caliper, so I didn't want to spray in round the disc, so I just painted that oil caliper with a wee bit of waste oil. So you can see there how clean she is. But that van is fairly clean anyway. But it's time to get this thing done now. As you'll see the bits of rust coming out in her. Very little, but a little bit. So this is underneath her. I know it's hard to see maybe, but that tow bar there is all rusting there and flaking. And the spring's flaking. But underneath in general, it's not bad. But those chassis members here, I had a spray gun and I put waste oil in it with a wee drop of kerosene. And any of those holes, I just blew stuff into all the chassis the whole way across. And I know the sill's done because when I doing up the van, I done the whole sills both sides, so they're alright. So it's really a matter of just spraying the hole underneath this van now to see which make a difference. Now I also sprayed this axle here with oil, so I want to see the difference between the oil and this other stuff, because I'm going to do the top and the other three sides with it, so with Lanoguard. So after about a year I'll check it and I just see the difference. See, is there a big pile of difference? It's hard to see that in camera, but take it from me, it's all flaked. So it is. Right, this is this stuff here. Lanoguard. Let me see some. 2 litres. That. That. And that. Fuck, she's a bit long, alright. Right. Look, this body put up together. This here was about 78 quid, because I'm in the north of Ireland. I suppose they charge extra, I don't know what they am, but that's what it cost me anyway. Looks well down. Up is when it's fell out through the hole. So it spills out through the hole. That's the first thing. So you can't let it go over. He's alright. Right. So that's the setup. So the first thing I'm going to do here is the spare wheel, and we'll just see how this thing sprays or what happens. Alright, I had to set it down there. The nozzle here at the front was closed, so this here should As I say, it's coming, just takes a bit of time. This is the spare wheel, so I'm going to do the inside of the wheels as well. Let's see what happens to this thing. Right, here she comes. You can see that just coming up to the gun there now. Oh, Jesus, she's very... That's not right, that's too thick. That's it. It's certainly easy to put on anyway. Right, I'm going to do the other side of that wheel, but that's the spare wheel was up underneath her. So that's the wheel done. Gee, it's very easy to put on. It's really easy to put on. I know it's plastic, but I'm doing it anyway.